Today is Theme Thursday. It's October and it's Thursday the 11th. The theme for today is Grays and Elephants. First we have Miss Hannah Nicole. She is wearing a onesie with elephants, giraffes, birds, and look on her socks. We have elephants. And I do believe those have hair bows in their hair. I never noticed that before. But anyway, she's just wearing something plain and simple. Just a onesie. And her cap matches. Next we have Paisley Grace. She is rocking that big bow, and she has the purple onesie on with the giraffe, the elephant, the bird. It matches Hannah's. Those shoes are a little bit too big, but we won't say nothing. Here we have the twinsies. This is, again, I was excited because this is one of the outfits. This is one of the outfits that I got them to match their twinsy outfits. So I was excited. What's the odds of getting to do two twinsy outfits back to back for Theme Thursday? So, yes, I was excited. So, Parker has an elephant. This is his lovey. So his lovey was automatically an elephant. So I was like, yes, let's go get his lovey. So now he's going to have his lovey back instead of his froggy that he was holding. Here's Harper. Look at that big hair bow. Her pacifier has an elephant. And here is her elephant. And these ears. They flap. There's two of them actually, which is pretty cool, but it stays flat to the. And her leggings, they have elephants on them too. Next, we have Taylor Suzanne. I actually tried to put her hair in pigtails this time, and she's a little curly. It's still a little wet. But anyways, there's... Oh, and she has elephants. This is a very cute shirt. I love it. It's neons. I love those neons. And here we have Miss Bailey Bell. She's so pretty. She's a pretty little girl. And her outfit is elephants. Miss Charlie. Oh, and if anybody noticed, I changed my background. Anyways, her outfit. Oh, look. She has an elephant on her passy. And her onesie is little elephants. You can't see them really good, I don't think. This outfit was used by a baby, so it's pretty wore. I got it at like a it was my husband's cousin's baby. It was just like $1, so I was like, yep, let's get it. So anyways, elephants. There's elephants all over it. They're cute. Okay, and here's my big boy. Look at him, how precious. And he has a big elephant on his shirt. This was Waylon's outfit. And Waylon's shoes. And these are size 3. See, they're a little too big. A little too big, but that foot is so curled. You can, it's about the only shoe you can get on him besides the soft ones. But there he is. Here's my other 2 twins. This one is Freddie. This one's Freddie. This one is Silas. But he is wearing... There's his elephants. He has elephants. And I love these pants. I got these with my zombie baby, and I love them. And they went really good. They're brown. They went really good with this. I thought they matched really well. Anyways, Silas. Look at his little eyes. They're blue. He looks so grumpy. But he has elephants on his. Then we have Oliver. He's looking adorable. I love his outfits. It must be something about these stripes that I like, because I love these pants too. But anyways, he has got a cute little elephant, and it's fuzzy. It's really fuzzy, so I thought it matched these. These come from my zombie baby too, and I thought it was so cute. And his shoes just match perfect. But his little hoodie, his little teddy bear ears, I thought it was so cute. But there he is. Next. Oh, and there's Waylon's outfit. It was Gray's. But, I just realized my bed is nasty. Anyways, he's asleep, if you're wondering where he is. This guy's had this outfit on for a very long time, but it worked because it was Gray's. Let's see who's next. Here we go. This right here is Kendrick. I believe you could see him better than me standing up. But this is Kendrick. Come here, big boy. Oh, his hat has elephants all over it. Look, it looks like a mama elephant and a baby elephant. Anyways, wild about mommy. Okay, so this must be mommy elephant, mommy giraffe, and baby giraffe and baby elephant. But I love this outfit. And see, it's good for him because where he's at silicone, you don't want hair all over him. So, see, I could I could put his mitts on and keep him safe. But here's my newest little boy. I am so in love with him. His eyes is just so precious. I love him. And his outfit is gray. And right up here we have a little elephant. So this is Theodore. Okay, and I think that's it. The other babies didn't participate, but I'm showing them anyway. I love Sydney. He's so cute. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment, guys. And I will see you next Thursday. Bye bye.